Haka hinyo terek lebar arhajar arpulai. Kajela Meghalaya kelayo ke Sorkar Thaw, kabari ke Sorkar sendrop lang rengkat kiseng san hima beper kabalalam kemat ke NPP bat ke BJP. Rengkat ke jengkershan ke seng UDP, ke HSPDP, ke PDF bat ke MLA Kemseng. Hagani kesengi ulat kejela upagu Chauhan Jingpynsmai Myntri Rangbah kejela bat iki Menteri Sorkar kebandan haka kenhun Menteri Jong ke Sorkar MDA 2. Kani ke Jingpynsmai lawan Sakhi langrut Menteri Rangbah do kari Narendra Modi Menteri ke Sorkar Padang bakmi ekatanat kam korbari Amit Shah bad National President Jog BJP Jagat Prakash Nada Menteri Rangbah kejela Assam Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma bat kibai-kibai. Nalor kihak Sorkar nakadong ba Delhi la Sakhi langru dagi kenderam kelendan jongane kejela. Hagani kesengi ulat kejela Jingpynsmai Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum Menteri Rangbah yo ba Prestun Tensong badi ba snyo bhalang dhar na keseng NPP kum kisembut Menteri Rangbah. Ki Menteri Sorkar pat ki bala Jingpynsmai kini kesengi ki kentop yo ba AL Hek na keseng BJP ke Dr. Amprin Lengdo na keseng NPP uba Paul Lengdo na keseng UDP uba Comingwan Mbon na keseng NPP Abu Tahir Mandal na keseng NPP uba Kermen Shela na ke UDP Marquis N Marak na ke NPP Rakam E Sangma na ke NPP bat uba Shakliar Warjri na keseng HSPDP.
Do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Minister for the State of Meghalaya, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
Kane kala along kajing snow sarong ya kajela Meghalaya jogi namar kane kade kasin ka benengkong hak baka swearing in ceremony chief prime minister jogara India rekat baru union home minister kin ya attend ya kane ka swearing in jogi te kalong kai ka burom ka kraw na ka ka state kajela jogi barokawi.
Ini pemerintah ketika kedua menteri kendor albut kita sebut menteri Rangbah kaitan ke dawa kendor albut.
Pi kadau kolong bej nakaliang jongi ngi calculate bala kong no na Giant Hills ngi don kam hi bangin yo sa we sembut menteri au sembut menteri Rangbah te ngi laya pen bej bala kong no ngin longin upgrade no ya mas ngobha komu deputy chief minister em ke jikability kalong jo menta ngin back to work ngin tray ya kakam bat ngin pendet ru ya kedigi aspiration ke expectation jogi paiba jogi jala Meghalaya jogi barokoi.
So we have laid the foundation in the last 5 years for many sectors, and we will continue to work aggressively on those foundations and build a better state for our people, and we'll continue to focus on the areas which we have been working on in the last 5 years, primarily to ensure that overall infrastructure improvement is there. We are working very hard towards the social sectors improvement like health and education and social welfare. And of course, we are giving a lot of importance to the youth, especially when it comes to employment issues and the livelihood issues. So those are going to be one of the main concerns and areas where this government is going to focus on. And like I had said 5 years back in the same place when I had taken oath, that we have realized that the overall delivery mechanism, overall efficiency at the grassroots level is something that needs to be improved. We improved that in the last 5 years. The same schemes which were implemented in the previous years did much better in the last 5 years because of the accountability, the monitoring that we did. And we'll continue to ensure that the impact at the grassroots level of different programs and schemes is felt to the maximum level.
Why 2 deputy CMs? What is the need of one more deputy CM?
And there has been precedents in the past where there have been 2 deputy CMs, so there's nothing wrong in it. And also it is a strong representation of the different areas and regions of our state. It sends a positive message of inclusiveness, and that is the reason why we've gone ahead with it.
Will you be having zero tolerance towards illegal coal mining?
Yes, of course. We have always maintained that. and we will ensure that steps are taken to ensure that no such activities that are there should take place. So, of course, there are always differences, there are always issues that come up, but what is important is we should work together and we should find a way to amicably resolve problems and issues that are there. Of course, in coalition partners, there could be people who have different divergent views on certain issues. That's fine. But as I said, as we go forward, we'll ensure that there's better coordination and we work as a strong team.